This is Pastor J. I just want to share with you something else that goes on in the heavens. From my previous videos, you know that the woman, the Virgin Virgo, becomes pregnant with the king, the man-child, which is signified by Jupiter. And that takes place roughly around the full moon in December, the actual date being the 17th. But here's another interesting thing, that on the Passover, which is the Jewish feast days, which begins on a full moon, and you can see the 10th, the evening of the 10th will be when it starts. Date here is the 11th, but we're into the early hours of the morning. But you can see here that the full moon is inside of the woman as well, and you can see right next, really close to it, is Jupiter. Now this will be a full moon, so this will be an amazing shot. You should be able to get an actual picture of this, the full moon and Jupiter, using the proper lenses, but I very much doubt that you would be able to. I mean, Jupiter is a very bright star, but the moon is very bright as also, and when the moon is shining really bright, I doubt you're going to see it with the naked eye. But I just thought I'd share it because it's an amazing coincidence that on the time that the full moon, remember the full moon will move around because of its position to the sun moves around every so many weeks. But on the very day of the Passover, when it starts the festival, on the 10th, the evening of the 10th of April, the moon and the Jupiter will be so close together, just like that. So we have the full moon and the king, or the symbol for the king. Remember, this Jupiter king impregnates the woman in December, around about the 17th. So at this point here, at the Passover in April, it's roughly 3.5 months to 4 months through its pregnancy period, and of course giving birth in around Rosh Hashanah, September 23rd, 2017 is when that great sign of Revelation 12 is complete, with a woman clothed with the sun and the moon under her feet, and on a crown of 12 stars, 9 of Leo, and 3 movable stars, and she giving birth to that Jupiter, that king. And that is that great sign complete at the end of the 9 months. But this little sign here of the moon and Jupiter happens on the Passover. Pastor Justin Roberts from End of the Age Bible Prophecy. God bless you all. Please share this video. The time is near. Amen.